Slashing the skills, so I can go relax. Pay my bills, I have to see the meal. I just ice my bill, I spend it on the try to cross the line. Yeah, really goes first. Get back, take care of yourself. So you're back. I'm going to get you down on the first round. Yeah, pull it off the shoulders. This is how I don't want people wanna know where the party at. When we can feel safe, fast, I can't talk to the DJ for a while. Stay at the TOP, most definitely. And sometimes it's out for free. I'm a responsibility. I can't breathe. I bring my foot on my time. I'm trying to feed my family. That's what people go. It's good, we here for some make man career, been here for some years. And tears, God's been here, and I'm always here. My young standing here from the front to the rear. It's like a third line, and I'm just a kid, drive that second stage, and I'm a late to black glasses. Still, it's not too tall, the got too smart. My lungs get under the skin like a tax. Yeah, they don't know the real deal. Is that I'm writing bullshit without my music. I use it to lead and teach the movement, and move with the theory that we don't the same. That's how we do it. Listen to the ways of both walkers like we the people of the Philippines. The skill shots of the industry that we're doing it. Yeah, let's call the fuck up, son. That's how they doing it, yes, sir. You should be songs of the song, because the more fire you have, the stronger you go. I'm playing the same
That's it.